subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
Hey guys! Hi! So our show won 3 awards today. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there, but for some personal reasons I couldn't be there. But I have the winners with me here. So starting with the best director. Let's go.
Best
show. So how does it feel, my friend?
It feels very nice.
Because you couldn't really say anything on stage. So this is your time, okay?
No,
This is
for
your
best
time.
director, I said whatever I had prepared, I already went and said for the best director. नहीं स्पीच लिखी नहीं थी लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत तैयारी करके गया था तो बेस्ट डायरेक्टर का पता था बेस्ट शो का पता नहीं था बट थैंक यू गाइस आई थिंक वॉट एवर वी गॉट टुडे वाज बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर इन लव विद द शो यू लव अस सो मच you love each and every person. You've loved the show so much, and I think it's paid off. Thank you so much for loving.
You won your first award in so many years. How did it feel?
I had to make my own show to get an award. Thank you so much.
Without money.
I think it was the easiest job. I'll be very honest with you. Getting a Best Director Award jury is not a big deal because I had
come on. Stop being so modest.
I had 4 of the best actors to start with. I had
Who's the other 2 I want to know?
Harshad.
That is why.
Coming to you,
Wait now. That is why, okay? Because of
Harshad.
this. No, because of this.
I had
When they announced,
Jennifer, yes.
when they announced best show, Bepana, he was like, and then
Well,
after
you guys-
getting up, he's supposed to go. I'm the actor. Okay? Hey, nahi.
We all are Bepana, right? You are.
Yeah,
Bepana.
yeah.
We all are Bepana.
Yeah.
Yes. So now coming
Populace.
to somebody is ducking behind. Coming to the best.
hide me?
I can.
Wow.
Coming to this. Go and sit there.
Okay.
So I am the director today.
Wow.
Yeah. So what? If I didn't get the best director award, I will get one. One day I will also get best director award.
Jury.
Popular.
Jury.
And jury both. So coming to the second award, and that is the best actor award for Bepana goes to Mr. Harshad Chopra. Harshad Chopra, how does it feel? Harshad Chopra, can we see the award?
I wish you were
that's the
there.
award.
I wish you were there.
No. I'm here right now.
I wish you were there.
I'm here.
I wish you were
I'm
there.
here.
Okay, wait.
Arey yaar.
I wish you were there, by the way.
I'm here. I'm
Okay.
here.
Are you sorry?
I'm here. Absolutely not. I'm here. I'm never sorry.
Thank you.
I am always grateful, but never sorry.
Okay.
So
So
one
that
second.
was-
Can I take back? Stop
Yeah.
it. This is now how I'm going to direct. Okay, the actors better be your.
Yeah.
Okay. So how does it feel?
Feels nice. Feels great. And obviously, I had so many eyes to look in the crowd, so it was very, very nice.
He's just taunting me.
But, it's almost like this is not an award. This is a cherry on top of that cake, which was Bepana. And
My hand is shaking. Okay.
cake has to come here also. And I'm happy. It's the
we cut the cake.
closure है मेरे लिए. I think last
I
time
think for all of us.
Yeah.
it's
I have not
perfect.
said bye yet. Bye.
This is, yeah, what a way, what a day. And now coming to the best show, okay? There are 2 very important people here who were a part of this show, but were never really mentioned so much, okay? One, Neha, can you please come here? Come here, I come next to Amita, okay? So 2 very, very important people who were never mentioned so much, who were never appreciated so much, but a big thank you and a big hug goes to here, Amita and Nehal. Hello! You guys won.
Yes, absolutely.
And, but can you just say how it feels right now?
It
Oh my
feels
God.
awesome.
I'm holding it.
It feels awesome, guys. It feels great. Bepana is your show. It won. Director is mine.
And as Harshad said,
Actor
it's
is
the,
ours. He
it's
won.
the perfect closure to the show.
Yeah.
We really did not expect it. Thank you so much, everybody. This is the perfect ending to a perfectly good show.
And thank you, a big thank you. Annie, come in.
I think for
Baby, come in.
for everyone across,
Yes, Ani, please.
Direct
For
hello,
everyone-
What glad to marry.
for everyone across the world who has shown
Love to
Bepana love to
Yes,
us.
yes,
And I think, you know what, I don't know what we have earned or we have lost. I think we have earned a
We've
little
earned.
heart,
We've only earned.
a little respect, and thank you so much.
Each and every one, Bepana team, you guys are rock stars. Sehwan, Namida, we love you. Rajesh ji, we love you. We love you.
Malika,
we love you.
Mr. Mehta, we love you.
Mr.
We all
Mehta,
love you.
thank you so much for giving us the freedom for doing a show that we believe
Yes,
in.
yes.
No producer will
And-
do that.
And
Thank you so much.
I want to also thank Mr. Sunil Mehta for every phone call he made.
Yes, yes.
You were good today.
Every
Thank you
time
so
he
much,
sat
sir.
down
Every
and said,
time.
very nice
Yes, yes,
episode,
yes,
I had
yes.
tears in my eyes.
Thank you for the encouragement.
Yes.
Thank you for the love.
Yes.
And thank you
Thank
for your
you.
Bepana Mohabbat.
And also to all our writers who wrote these beautiful scenes. Prakriti, Nikita, Shinita, Ishita, Ishan, everyone. Thank you so much.
Mwah!
Mwah.
Bye!
Bye.
All right, guys, bye. And thank you so much. And I'm really sorry I couldn't be there today. But, yeah.
She said she's sorry.
Okay, fine.
She said.
Okay, and that's about it.
This is my time. She said she's sorry.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.